Hello everyone, this is DInfinityX. Welcome back to Ultra Hardcore in Space Engineers. I have the new Apex Advanced Survival. It's successor to Eat, Sleep, Drink, where I am currently being letterboxed. I don't think the HUD is working how it should, and I still take damage from eating the old food in the game, which is unfortunate. It also looks like I need to potentially go get some ice, because I'm running a little low. Alright, one of the things it does do is I need to now make nutrient solution for the planters. And because I have the crazy cat mod, which, according to the workshop, should work, I have to now figure that out as well. So, I was hoping I could have or find some water. Oh, that's helmet vision. That's interesting. I wish I could see where... What is it? Shift B for buffs? Okay, that didn't show what I needed to show. Interesting. Alright, thankfully I already had some algae tea. Let's see if that gets rid of the flashing water indicator. I'm gonna have to eat the rest of my meal packets here, too. In hopes to cure my ailments. Oh, hey, sweet. I have some HUD. I was trying to get the HUD to work. Wasn't working, and then my game crashed. Still doesn't show water. And I've drank 2 teas now, so we'll see. I need to go and... Hello. Get this unknown signal that... Oh, it was on here. Now it's not. That's a shame. And now food seems to not be working. Okay. That's not good. Oh, yay. And now I'm gonna die and lose all the benefits. Oh, that's a shame. I think I have brutal respawn on, and it may have been updated, so... that might be working. We'll see. This could be bad. Okay, it's not that bad. Alright, let's see if that does anything. Okay, that still works for food. I need to figure out what water is now. Oh, okay. I found the sparkling water. So that's made a comeback. And the biopaste, which I saw can be consumed with the helmet on. So I'm going to get a bunch of that produced, I guess. That's fine. It's fine. We'll figure this out. I need to work on a vehicle. Oh, I'm gonna die. Almost died. Alright, we got 1 water. I'm working on the plane to get it up and going because... Is that signal coming down right on top of us? If so, that would be amazing. Oh yeah, that is right on top of me. Nice. So nice when they deliver themselves. Alright, and what do we get? Hopefully this is working. Probably not. It's not. But food-wise, we just get 1 DNA and some plate. Awesome. Put the batteries on the plane and it started rolling away. Oh. Why is it rolling away? It shouldn't have power. What is going on? What phantom forces are working right now? At least I got some of the biopaste made, so... It'll be something. I don't think 6 batteries is going to be nearly enough, though, for this. Alright, let's give this a try as I fly into my forklift. That was a mistake. Alright. Okay, let's just get up in the air. Or not. Or this doesn't have a gyro anymore. Oh, I turned off all the friction on the wheels. That's right. I'm remembering things. Things are coming back into my brain. We'll give them a little bit of strength and power. That way I can actually... I don't know. I need to go get stuff for a gyro. Are we under attack? It looks like we're under attack. It also looks like I've out of ammo. That's not ideal. Go away.
Low health.
I may have to take off the Apex Advanced mod until it gets further along, because unless I'm just not drinking the right water or I need to drink way more of it, I went through all of those and I still have the flashing icon, which is a tad annoying. All right, let's try this again. Release the parking, take off. Hey, I have control. And with... I don't know why I was trying to do Q and D. With 2 engines, it's flying a lot better. I think that tiny tire was definitely the problem. Also, just having... Was it 4 flat packs? Possibly. Oh, we're not rolling. I might need a second gyro. Oh, this is cumbersome, to say the least. Let's see if I can touch down without needing... Oh, that wasn't too bad at all. All right, let's give this thing a go with 2 gyros on it now. Ooh, hello. There, I can actually rotate, so that's good. Now, what am I going to do this episode? Oh, hello. I flipped around really quick. I could potentially go to the military depot. There's the one over here that kept blowing me up last time. And then I could go and disassemble that one, which possibly wouldn't be bad. But I don't necessarily want to do that. Let's buzz the tower here. I also want to make a personal vehicle that I can take with me, since the respawn pod got obliterated 2 episodes ago. Or was it last episode? I think it was 2. Alright, we're going to try and land again. Same landing. Wheels first. Okay, that was a bit bumpier. Am I parking off? Yes. Hence why I was possibly bouncing. That's fine. I also have to figure out a way to charge this. Alright, so I was just having a think about it, about how... Why are you glowing? You're off. How I'm going to recharge some of these vehicles. And the... I guess the obvious answer would be to... Hello, tire. To potentially make something like this the recharge machine. So I've got the little drone connected up there that I need to eventually bring down and put wings on, so it flies a little bit better. But I was thinking of making a vehicle that could do it. Now, the obvious answer would be the fire truck, because it's a fire truck, and it has doesn't have batteries, and it has the power to charge. But then I would have to... Thinking about this. Maybe I make an actual fire truck. It also appears that my little robot helper has died somehow. That sucks. I don't know how or where he would have died. But he's dead. Alright, what I think I'm going to do, because it doesn't need to be connected to storage, is I'm just going to build another one of these snake arms out here, so I can potentially convert this into like a charging bay. Would probably be the correct answer.
Meteor storm inbound.
In fact, I'm going to work on that after I hopefully don't get eaten by aliens or spiders, something to that effect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of the advanced one. Nothing is working. I just ate 2 roast pork and it did not heal me at all. It sucks that I can't use the advanced thing. I'll figure it out. It could just be mod order. I'm just not going to worry about it right now. I do wish my little buddy hadn't died. Not that he had done much at all. Alright, let's see if I can get the plane onto the ramp. Um, it's going. There we go. Maybe. I forgot that these, I need to weld them up one at a time. I also really need to stop removing my access to things, because right now the only place, I guess I could go over there, but I have to go around the hose. Alright, you know what? Since it's fresh on my mind, we are going to build an actual fire truck. I like the fire truck down here. It's nice, it's awesome. It's technically a trike and has no actual firefighting capabilities. So I want to build one that does. But I think I need a bigger area. Maybe I'll just move the mining ship off the... I mean, it needs to get some ice anyway, so we're just going to move it off the platform here, and I'll build where this is.
Ship fuel low.
I'll just park this down here and turn it off. Didn't I put lights? Oh, I never put lights on this, did I? I don't think I did. Nope. What are we doing? Okay, park. Oh, no, it's one of these. Please, no. Oh, I was right there, too. Oh, hit the wrong button. Got it. Am I gonna get anything? No. Did it land on its cargo? Yes. I'm realizing my plan may not work, because I can't do a big rotor with small grid. I could, but it would be a pain. Ooh, we are running out of power. I was wondering why the food processors weren't going. Because they ain't got no juice. Alright, well, we got another very close delivery of a unknown signal, so let's go check that out. Alright, and survey says probably nothing yet. But we got more DNA. I did just check the DNA of one that I got, and we have rat now. So instead of making a fire truck, I think I'm going to make a fuel truck instead, because that sounds a lot more fun. Alright, and I just came up with a genius way of doing it. I may build a small welder to weld up all of this stuff. I might be able to do it quick enough. But essentially, I'm going to have a tank on this trailer here. I think this is going to be the end. Now, I know that making circles... like, I could use the rounded blocks. You know what? Let me see if I can make the rounded blocks work, because that would actually kind of be fun. But I'm afraid that... because I used them in the last series on the rocket. But... yeah, that's not going to be... I'm not going to be able to actually make an actual rounded thing. I might be able to give it the look of a tank, though, so I might go with that. Now, the basic principle of this is I'm going to have a tube going down the middle, which means I might need to make this bigger. So, I didn't weld those. Darn it. That's okay. I'm going to weld this before I do it, but essentially what I want is... there will be a hole in the dead center. Let me try and figure out where this is going to be right now, because I may have to build this taller. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to go taller. I have tried to jump onto this thing so many times, and I either overjump it or underjump it. Oh, you know what? Let's just do it from the back. Ooh, those are touching. That's fine. In fact, I don't want to do that. Oh. Hello, dear. Are you going to give me anything? Are you going to give me anything, dear? Dear, are you going to give me anything? And survey says no. Now, unfortunately... To make this hole look good, it has to be bigger than 3 by 3, which I don't want to do. Oh, wait. This will work. Oh, yes. This will work. I forgot there was other blocks. Yeah, this will work perfectly. I essentially just want this hole that I'm going to build the cable down, and I'm going to connect it all with a piston, or with pistons to push it out when I need it to be pushed out. And then once it's finished recharging, it's going to pull it back in. Excuse me. Oh, I wondered what I was welding up when it said I needed 25. That makes sense. All right, now I need to build out the pistons. Hello? And see if how much play I can get out of this. All right, and in theory, what this will do... Yeah, I figured 2 was going to be the maximum. Please give me a block space. It doesn't. So I have 2 options. I can move this forward 1. It doesn't matter, even if it butts up against, I guess. We'll make it work. All right. So in theory, I will start the chain from there, run it this way. You know what? I can do that right now. Why not? We're just going to make this as we go. Why is this floor broken? That's concerning. Why are the hinges so heavy? It almost filled my inventory, and it was... Okay, I guess it was more than half full, but still, why can I not... Yeah, it's still a lot for a little hinge. I keep bumping these parts every time I jump up here. It's getting annoying. Alright, I'm almost done. I've gotten decent length, but it is becoming more and more annoying to weld this thing up. So I don't want to jump on there and knock it over. The other problem I have is I have no idea how tall this is getting, which I'm trying to get the components off from as I'm looking at it. I think I can do one more. I should do one more. Well, I guess now that it's over here, it's not so bad. Yeah, we can do one more. All right, I'm going to take a little break and get some more unknown signalage. I keep forgetting I can gyro this, and as long as I hit the 2 back reels, we're good. I've already broken the nose piece off again. I'm almost positive. Oh, and then I definitely broke something. As long as it's not the tire. I think that's dirt. That's crazy. Did I break the tire? No, we're still good. We're not good. The hill's a little too steep. Oh, I got another rolly one. Why? These aren't as bad as I remember. Oh, it actually gave me the thing that time. Food? No, nope, just DNA. Oh, this one's gonna hurt worse. Okay. Like I said, as long as I hit the back tires, I'm good. It's not hitting the back tires that causes problems. Ooh, hello. Just a little wheelie. Ooh. And there we had the nose. I don't know what it's called. Oh, stop. Alright, so yeah, we have rat, we have goldfish, we have warthog, and we have snake. All foods I have never personally eaten. Alright, let's see how far this extends. Because I'm guessing it's going to... I'm hoping it's going to be enough. We'll just shoot this out the back here. I don't think that's nearly long enough. I think... Is there any way I could potentially extend this? As we have it right now, let me go to the other side here. We've got a wheel there, which means I'll have to figure out where the next wheel will go. Guessing right here. If I'm probably wrong. I also have the wrong suspension. Oops. That's okay. I'll fix it at a later date. So if we put that there, okay, that's correct. And then we'll have one set up front for steering. I mean, that's going to get enough play. It's not even going to get enough play to get to the ground. All right, well, let's think about this. This vehicle is likely going to need it. So what I'll probably do is put the connector like right here on top going up. Then I'll be able to lift, back up, lift, and connect to it. This one, very similar. How do I test and see if this can get to the ground? I would have to turn all the frictions off. And how much is left in the... There's not a ton left in the tube. It'd help if I could jump up there, which is probably not going to happen. Nope. The problem is I've written myself into a predicament. 'Cause I can't really extend it. Oh, what am I going to do? I could just put all the wheels on and go from there. Oh. You know what? I can lower the suspension, get us closer to the ground. Yeah, you know what? I'll take it. I'll figure out ways to make it work, and if it doesn't, I'll go to my backup plan, which was just a hinged gate that I throw everything in. But that's going to do it for this episode. I'm going to stay on, try and get some food built or prepared because I really need these roasts. Oh, hello. Somehow that clicked me out of the game. And I'm just sitting waiting for it to reload in. Yeah, I need these roasts so that I can maintain my food. And that's requiring making a bunch of warthog meat. Which in turn is... I mean, I've got 23, so I can do a few more. I just don't want to accidentally burn through all of my warthog and not have any. So I'm going to get that going. This video is coming up in less than 12 hours, or it should be live in less than 12 hours. So until the next time, this was DInfinity X. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you have a good rest of your day. And in the next episode, we'll definitely finish the fuel truck. Because it's essentially going to be fuel battery power for the vehicles that need it.